Hi everyone, Mark from Go Fast Hobbies. Today on Tech Tip Tuesday, I got JB here with me, and we're going to show you how to cut a tire, cut an insert correctly.
Yeah, cut an insert correctly.
Cut an insert correctly, which you need to make sure that's legal to do at the track you race at before you go and cut them. And then also how to use this thing, the BRP Thumper Tire Foam Insert Breaker Inner. So JB's going to show you how to use this thing properly and talk about it and give you guys some tips, I guess.
First, you'll want to set your pressure to whatever it is, and this one's pretty cool because you can just slide it really easy, and the wheel's not going to move. It's just going to stay in place. So you'd pick your pressure, put your tire in, and start spinning it. And in rubber tires, we do typically 1.5 minutes per tire, and that'll get them pretty close to where they need to be at, and you're not too soft or too hard. And tire will be just right, ready to hit the track and feel good the first time. You're not gonna have to run them in. And another thing we like to do is scuffle. And you'll get the tire for whatever side it is. If it's the right side, you want to make sure you're spinning the right way. And you'll take either sandpaper or Scotch-Brite and just scuff the edge off the tire. And it'll knock the leading edge of the pin or the bar, whatever it is, off the tire, and it'll feel a lot better right from the get-go.
And you want to make sure you do it left and right side.
Yeah, left and right. You want to make sure you do the right side of the car, the right direction.
That the tire's spinning.
That's
crucial.
Yeah,
that's
crucial. Very important.
Yeah.
In the aspect of things.
And then do you normally scuff it and then run it on the foam breaker? Or
either way, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter either way.
Whatever one you do first.
Okay.
But
there's no preference on that.
Just as long as it happens.
Okay. All right. And then we're going to move on, I guess, to cutting the insert.
Yeah. So in the J-Con tires, a lot of times the inserts, they're stiffer. And when you put them on the tire will kind of sit balled up in the middle. And if it's allowed at the track you run at, definitely check first. You'll take it, pinch the middle of it, and just trim out the center of the lug. You can do it with scissors, or I like to take a pin and wrap it with sandpaper, and I'll chuck this on a rim inside out and just press it in the center, and you'll get a perfect round little cut down the center of the foam. And that'll help the tire sit flatter, it'll feel softer from the get-go, and it fires off a lot quicker than just mounting it without the inside of the foam's cut.
So I want to thank JB for helping out with this Tech Tip Tuesday. Hopefully all you guys enjoyed it. Remember, all the products that he talked about today, including the Thumper, are all available at gofasthobbies.com. You can check the links down below. And that's all I got. I will see you guys the next Tech Tip Tuesday.